In Ottawa County, that was a 64-mile-an-hour wind gust that is now starting to show up. Still a line of storms extending from really out over Lake Erie down through Fremont and down into Tiffin as well. Those severe thunderstorm warnings are still active and will be moving into areas of Port Clinton, Fremont, and even points off to the east, including Sandusky and Norwalk. Here's the latest on the track of the system or this particular storm that is moving through Fremont at about 4:12. Looking at Perkins at 4:37, and then eventually quickly moving off to the east towards the Cleveland metro area. But this storm is moving pretty quickly at about 55 miles an hour. So we're going to time this out really over the next hour or so. It's going to continue to be moving through the area. It should be out of here by, I would say, 5 or 6 o'clock. We'll have a brief break later on this evening. Then we'll start to see almost a second wave starting to move in associated with that cold front. And some of these could still be on the stronger side, but I would anticipate maybe if any sort of threat would be mostly a wind threat at that. Those storms are going to push out after midnight, and we are going to see the return of some of those showers still as we head into tomorrow morning as well. So we're going to be kind of in a much more active pattern, at least chances for rain, and those temperatures are really going to drop off during the overnight hours. We're going to feel more like into the 30s for tomorrow, even wind chills starting to reappear across most of Northwest Ohio. Here's that extended forecast. Again, a much cooler start for tomorrow into the 40s. We'll see a brief warm up starting to move back in for Thursday. We're going to hold on to that at least through this weekend. And then at Easter, we start to turn a little bit cooler. The good news is, though, some of those rain chances have backed off for Easter Sunday, about a 20% chance at most. Then we'll start to see a little bit more of a dry spell for the first half of next week. That, of course, is going to include the Mud Hens opener on Tuesday. Highs right around the middle 50s, then returning back into the 60s by Wednesday, Thursday, and even into Friday, starting to turn above average temperatures for the second half of next week. That's a look at your extended forecast.